There's that big black box again. Hey, friends. I bet you didn't expect to see me this soon again. But yeah, I've got some more stuff to share with you. I got this box in the mail today. So let me bring the camera down and we'll see what came in here. I had some lovely birthday gifts from some friends who know me well. And let's see what's in the box, shall we? So this is funny. It says fragile on it. Every time I see the word, I think of the Christmas Story and Fragile, because that's one of my kids' favorites. So open this up and see what kind of fragile things we have in here. Okay. Lots of packing. Get that out of there. Oh, great big box. Great big box with not much in it. So let me pull out what's in here that's important and get rid of this box. Oops. There we go. Okay, first thing I got was this pencil. Now everybody uses the black Stabilo pencil, right? One of our favorites. I know you've probably got them. I've got them. Everybody's got them. But I wanted a brown. So this one is a Stabilo in a brown tone. So let's see what we've got here. And we'll see if it is gonna react with a little water. Of course it is. I need a brush or something here. Here we go. Let me just move it around a little bit. But you know me, I am the brown girl. I like brown. So there is a brown Stabilo as first out of the box, right? Oh, I got my... Next up, looks like I got a couple of blocks of watercolor. See what these are. These are heavy duty bags. I'm going to have to find something to use them for. Maybe out. Looks like it fell out of that wrapper, which doesn't tell me much. It's just a number. This is a gray from Schmincke. I think these are those granulating Galaxy, Rosa, and Gray. Oh yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, I know why, because I bought this trio of granulating watercolor from Schmincke. Let me get a palette here. That's what I want. Clean this off a little bit. Yeah, these are the Glacier Granulating. They're supposed to be really gorgeous colors. And you know, I really love granulating watercolors. So it has, oh, I wish I could read this. Glacier Black. And put the lid back on if I can. All right, and then Glacier Green. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Oh, can't wait to try these. Glacier Green. This one is, boy, Turquoise Glacier. I have to set up a palette with these new Schminky. And then, so those were in the tube form, and then these are the quarter pan. Is that what that is? Yeah. So this one is from this is from a desert collection, looks like. And this one is from the Galaxy collection. So that should be interesting. So we'll have to swatch these out and see what they're like, because, you know, granulating sometimes react differently. Sometimes you get different colors than what you're anticipating. And I should I'll have to put that stuff on the bottom of those so that I know what they are. And then this box, what is in here? Oh, this is the Aquapasto. This is supposed to thicken and reduce the flow of your watercolor. And I've never tried this product. I've never tried these products. And so as a birthday thing for me, it was like, well, let's get some things that we've never had out here before and give them a go. Let's get a page and some water and see what we can do. Here, I've got a brush, water brush. So this one was the black, and it is very dark. I think I'm just going to spritz my page a little bit first, just to moisten things down a little bit. Let's see what this black does. Oh yeah, pretty nice. Goes a long ways. Here's my rag. Here's my rag. Okay, next up was the green. Oh, don't you love that color? It's kind of a slate blue-green. Yeah, I like that a lot. Very pretty. But I don't see a lot of, let's see if I wet it a little bit, if something changed. Oh yeah, you can see some pink tones in here. Let's let that soak in a little bit. And then this is the turquoise. It already seems thicker than the others. Really does seem much thicker than the others. I'm gonna add some water. See if we can get it to blend out a little bit more. Oh, look here, you can see the turquoise. Let me see if I can get the camera close enough so you can see that. Can you guys see what's happening with the granulation there? Can you see the turquoise coming out on the edge of this? And there's a little bit of a pink in here. Don't see a lot of other shades happening in those other two. So let's take a look at, this was the gray. And it has brown tones to it. It's not just a gray. What was the name of that? Boy, I need a magnifying glass. Desert gray. So I suppose it would have some earth tones to it because it's a desert tone. What do you think? Is that, but it's supposed to be granulating also. So let's give it a try. Just gonna come over about halfway here. And then the last one I got was the rose. I think I'm going to wet the page a little bit first. Oh, I like that. See, these are very earthy colors, except for that turquoise. That turquoise is kind of loud. So I might have to tone that down a little bit, but see how it blends with the rose. Let's see if I can add some water here. Okay, those are really very pretty colors. From Schminky. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my friends. I think I'm going to enjoy using these colors in my watercolor. And then this Aqua Pasta, I'm going to have to read up on because it's a different sort of medium. And it doesn't really, it says it thickens both watercolors and gouache, but it is a transparent medium. So if I use it as a thickener, like right here, I've got some very watery. rose. So let me put down a little bit of that. And I'm going to add some water still because I want to. Oh, I need one with water, don't I? Here we go. Got a brush with water. And I don't really want to mix that with my brush. I want to mix it with something else. So let me mix that into yeah, it makes it very pasty. Actually, I wonder if I could scrape it on then because it's got the mixture here. Let me see. Oh, that's interesting. Could give a mild effect, but if I want to add more of that rose color, get some of that out there. Mix that into the goo, aqua pasta. Let's see what that does. Well, it'll be a fun thing to play around with. It's my thinking. Not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but, until you have it, you don't know how you're going to use it, do you? But what fun products. So let me go back to my scraping method. Just make it a little bit thicker than watercolor. So that's it. That's my big haul. Hope you enjoyed watching me. I'm going to drop some more of this into that granulating mixture to see if I can get some different movement out of this. Right? But as this starts to dry down, you definitely can see some of the other colors that are coming out in the granulation. Not so much in the turquoise, but definitely here and here. I like them. Thanks, guys. See you later.